gentlemen, welcome to my amazing YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at law of set continue. Remember that my last video was based on law of set, of which I explained 3 out of 7. So we are going to continue with that today. So I'm very sorry for not uploading of recent due to some constraints. I have malaria and a heavy catarrh, so that's why I was not able to upload anything as of last week. So but please, if it's your first time of viewing this channel, kindly like this video and hit the subscribe button to get more updates about any video I release on this particular channel. So let's start. So we are going to start from distributive law of set. Law of sets. Now, when you talk of distributive law of set, this law simply means that, let's consider, okay, it simply means when you have A union B intersection C would be equals to A union B in a bracket, then intersection A union C. That is just a simple definition of distributive law of set. Now, let us verify this law by taking some examples. So let's consider set A to be 1, 2, and 3, and set B to be 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, my marker is not really writing very well. You just have to endure with me, please. I searched for marker this morning, I was not able to see. Okay, this is A and this is B, and we have C to be, okay, we have C to be 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so we want to verify that this is equals to this. Okay, so our concern should be this, not this now, because we said this is equals to this. So let's see, maybe we are going to have the same thing. Remember that this is A union of this. So let's derive this. A union B simply means that you combine A and B together without repetition. That is, you get the values, the element of A and B into one single word set without repetition. So you arrange them either in ascending or descending manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope this is clear. I've been able to combine these and these together. This is what I'm having here now. So I'll also do the same thing for A union C. Now, by A union C, this and this will be combined. This and this will be combined. So if I combine this and this, I will have 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 9. So I've been able, let me put this also in brackets. Okay, so I've been able to solve A union B and A union C. So the law here is I'm finding out their intersection here. So what is common to A union B? That means our A union B intersection C will now be equals to, that is what is common to A union B and what is common to A union C. That's the meaning of this intersection. So what's common to A union B is 1, 2, 3 and also 1, 2, 3. So I will have answer to be 1, 2, 3. Which is my final answer. So you can see from this very first equation here, A union A is 1, 2, 3. So it's also the same thing as this A. So that has been verified. So the other one here is what we first do as the Morgan's law of set. Okay. So we have the Morgan's, and that is the number 5. Okay, so we have the Morgan's law of set. Now, the Morgan law of set is a very precise and a simple law of set. So let's consider this law simply states that actually that when you have A union B, complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. That's just a simple definition of the Morgan's law of what set. So what does that simply mean? Let us verify that. Let us consider an example again. Let's consider that A is equals to, sorry, give me a few minutes. That A equals to 1, 2, and 3. And B is equals to 4, 5, and 6. Are we following? We have A equals to 1, 2, 3, B equals to 4, 5, and 6. Then we want to verify this is equals to this. Now, of course, for us to find our A complement here, it's simply going to be empty because this is A, and the complement of A is simply what? Empty, because we don't have any complement of A in this case. Okay, so we also have the same thing, B complement is equals to what? Empty. So that means we combine A complement and intersection B complement together. This becomes A complement intersection B complement will also give what? Empty. So you can see this side is giving us what? Empty. So let us see, maybe this side is also going to give us the same empty as this. So based on what we have there, we have A union B, right? Complement. So our A union B is by combining this and this together. If I combine, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Are we together? Okay. So A union B complement, which is what we have here, right? So the complement now. So the complement of itself is simply going to be what? Empty. So the law has been verified that A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement, which are put what? Empty. How this is clear. Okay. Now the sixth law of set is the first one, the complement law of set. So this, you just have to bear with me with this marker. It is not encouraging at all. Okay. So the sixth one is simply complement law of set. So this law simply means that if you have A complement and also complement of itself, is always equals to what? A. It will give itself back to what? Back to A. Are we together? Then if you have union complement, is always equals to what? Empty because of itself. That is another one. Then we have another one here. If you have also empty complement is equals to give back to what? Union. You know, I can use this sign for union too. It is allowed. Universal. Sorry, I say union. That's universal set. This is universal complement equals to what? Empty. Then empty complement equals to universal, and I can use this sign also for what? For universal. Are we together? Then also, when you have A union A complement will give universal. Then when you have A intersection A complement will now give what? Empty. So I will not be able to verify this law one after the other due to time and the issue of this marker. So I want you guys to please try this on your own and leave a comment on the comment section. Okay, so I will stop that for complement law of what? Set. Then the last law, which is known as the identity law of set. Now my marker is very bad, and due to time I need to complete this today. Okay, so the identity law of set. Now this law is also very precise. When you have A union empty, will give A. When you have A intersection universal, will also give what? A. But when you have A intersection empty, will give empty. Are we together? Then when you have A union universal, will give universal. So also, I want you guys to try all this yourself. Then you drop it in the comment section what you have for this, 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 what you have for everything. So this is just the basic law of set. So I've been able to complete a law of set. So in my next video, I'm going to move into problems on number of what? Set. How we can solve set with all these laws that have been verified. So I'll see you guys in my next class. And please don't forget to subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Bye for now.